I'm going to share with you a before and after genius tool. Now, this is a beautiful entryway that I need a little something on, and look at this beautiful book stand. I am so thrilled that in addition to being a great cookbook holder, it has a great spot in my decor lineup. It could also be used for an iPad and a crisp, clean, tidy counter, but this unique spot I save for things that I love with a decorating point of view. Now, this is a game changer. This beautiful piece is clean lined, it's modern, it's boho chicness to it. Now, on a farmhouse kitchen counter, it's a perfect accessory, changing the game, offering a heavy-duty, hands-free expert opinion. Now, I like it for this beautiful display of a book that I love. This is a book about international cities. It's a coffee table book, and it's a perfect display of this beautiful book. Now, here are some other ways to design it. It offers an elegant, warm aesthetic to any layout, and I love the neutral tones to it and the very strong wooden base. I love opening a special page in this book that I really like. I have one of my favorite cities displayed open in a page in this book that I really love. I love that depth and that warmth it gives to this kind of neutral environment that I have. It's very, very beautiful, and it's very sturdy. It holds that very heavy book even open to a page where it's larger than the shelf itself, but it has this wooden easel back to it that gives it an ability to be very, very strong. As you see, it could hold a lot here. And look at the beautiful neutral tones and the beautiful wooden curved edges and this strong metal base that holds whatever book or piece of art that you put in its place. Now, I love the fact that it can sit by itself and still look pretty. Look, here's my Bible open to a favorite page that I like. Anything that you'd like to have a special focus on, it really showcases well. It's gentle enough not to damage your delicate heirloom books, and whether you're following a digital recipe on your iPad or reading or wanting to look at certain scripture, it's a perfect display for that. It can also be a classic thing for your family to put a piece of art, a cherished piece of art, or something that you want to display and bring some attention to, or just to highlight in a traditional way that brings your eye to it on a desktop setting rather than just on a wall. I love that. It keeps your very expensive electronics safe too if you choose to display something digital on here, and it will keep them free from dust. Now, it's great use as a cookbook. You can open to your favorite recipe and put your cookbook here as you can cook effortlessly without having to touch it and having to flip the pages, and you can even use a spiral bound book bent backwards so you can display a single page rather than the full cookbook opening. Now, it's a great piece that was provided for me for my decorator opinion, and I love it. I think it's a high decor inspiration. Now, please like and follow this video so you can see more high decor items and styling tips. This is a beautiful piece. It is a touch of elegance to any room, kitchen, home, office, and I think that you will find it's just an elegant upgrade. It's very high-end, very classic, and it's just a great buy. Add it to cart now with confidence.